This photo, I took it at my dining table. This one looks like it came from a $1,000 photo shoot. And guess what? I did it for free, using ChatGPT. Let me guess, you've got a product to sell. Maybe it's candles, skincare, jewelry, or even snacks. But your photos? You've tried lighting, filters, even editing apps, but nothing screams professional. Well, what if I told you your average photo, the one you took with bad lighting and a wrinkled bedsheet, could be turned into this, using just a single prompt and ChatGPT? At the very end of this video, I will show you how to shoot your product photos with a model or celebrity holding it in their hands, like this. I was preparing to launch my first product line on Amazon. But the problem is, my product photos looked like they were taken in a cave. No light, no vibe, no click-throughs. I didn't have a DSLR, couldn't afford a photographer. I was stuck. Then, I stumbled across a hack. Upload your product photo into ChatGPT. Describe the shoot you wish you had done, and let AI do the rest. Skeptical? So was I. But I tried it. I asked ChatGPT, if I send you a picture of one of my products, can you turn it into a professional product photography? ChatGPT says, yes, absolutely, Maruf. If you send me a picture of one of your products, I can enhance it to look like professional product photography. And ChatGPT also told me what it can do for me and what I should do to get better results. Then I uploaded a doe image of my black cumin flower honey. Typed in, the name of my product is black cumin flower honey. Please write this name beautifully on the product. 2 minutes later, boom, a hero image that looked like it belonged in a magazine spread. Step 1. Take a clear photo of your product. It doesn't need to be fancy, just well-focused and centered. Step 2. Upload it into ChatGPT with image capabilities. Step 3. Now here's the secret, your prompt. Magic prompt example. Transform this photo into a minimalist product photo shoot. White background, natural shadows, studio lighting, high resolution, suitable for e-commerce listings. Boom. Within seconds, you've got studio-grade results. And as promised earlier, now I'll show you how you can add a model or even a celebrity to your product image. Here's the magic prompt. Now, holding this product in her hand, a beautiful 20-year-old female model looks at the camera with a slight smile on her face, and she is showing the product image to the camera as if she is advertising it. That's it. Type it in and watch what ChatGPT creates. It's like having your own brand ambassador without ever booking a shoot. No fancy gear, no photographer, just your product and ChatGPT.
Now, what if you want to replace that model with Katrina Kaif or any other celebrity? Well, here's the deal. ChatGPT can't generate real celebrities, but it can create a model inspired by their aesthetic. Think graceful, confident, elegant. Just write your prompt like this. Replace this model with a model who feels inspired by Katrina Kaif's aesthetic. That's it. You'll be surprised to see the result.
So stop holding back your brand. Try this trick and make your store look like Apple designed it. Drop a comment with what product you want to transform, and I might turn it into a pro shoot in the next video. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Got a product you want me to try this on? Drop it in the comments. I just might feature it in the next video. And if you're into AI tools, product hacks, and creator shortcuts, subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you never miss a trick that could level up your business.